Your Bissell Little Green Mini is leaking. Let me show you the #1 cause or reason behind that. It has to do with your clean water tank. The thing you want to check here is to make sure that this straw is in place properly. So when you hold the tank up like this, it should not be leaking if everything is working correctly. You see there's no water coming out. But let me show you what it looks like if this straw inside is installed improperly. So on the cap here, it's got this straw. This straw goes into the tank, it goes above the water line, and it allows airflow so that your actual water can come out of the machine so it doesn't collapse the tank here. Think about a water bottle, right? Same concept there. So here on the cap, you got this little hole here. You stick the straw in there, and it needs to be securely in there, and then you put it back on. If I remove this straw and leave it out and put the cap back on, you will see here that we just get a stream of water. It is just flowing out there. You got a stream of water. My hand is soaked here, and you just got water flowing out of it. So you need to make sure that that straw is in place. That is the #1 reason why your Bissell Little Green Mini is leaking, because this straw is not securely in place. So make sure you push that in there, lock it in place, or not lock. There's no like locking mechanism, but make sure it's nice and snug in there. And you put the cap back on, flip it back over, and you will not have any drips. Now sometimes you'll get a drip or two because the straw will get some liquid in it. You'll get a couple drips, but nothing serious. And then of course, when the straw is in the tank, you want to make sure that it is above the water line so that you're not getting water coming down through the straw. Now, the second thing you want to check is make sure that it's securely in place. So here, if it's kind of offset, it's really kind of hard to mess this one up because they've got the plastic and everything lines up. So when you put it in place, it's typically lined up. So usually that's not the reason. Check the straw, that's #1 reason. Then it has the little push pin inside the machine here, down in there in that little circle there. There's a little pin that sticks up. And what it does is it pushes this spring-loaded piece here on the cap, and then it allows that water flow. So when I push this here, you see we get all that water flow. So that's what's happening. So if yours is offset or something and it's not exactly seated right inside there, maybe it could be leaking out and the water could be spilling down into it and then leaking out of the bottom. Now, if you've checked that and everything seems to be working fine, you've got the straw and did everything and it's working just like mine, then you might have a more serious issue that you'll have to contact customer support. But 9 times out of 10, that is the problem. Check that. I do have a complete tutorial on this machine. I hope that was helpful.